security is not just about producing enough food, but also about the ability to provide safe and nutritious food for everyone, at all times and everywhere. In the face of global population growth and climate change, the demand for safe and stable food sources has become more urgent than ever. Machinery in agriculture has become a crucial factor in enhancing productivity, crop quality, and the ability to maintain stable production. The development and application of advanced technologies in agriculture are key to addressing the challenges of food security. The importance of machinery in agriculture: increasing labor productivity. In the past, agricultural production relied heavily on manual labor, limiting the potential for large-scale and efficient production. The advent of agricultural machinery, such as plows, harvesters, and planting machines, has completely transformed the agricultural landscape, allowing for production on larger scales, at faster speeds, and with fewer labor requirements. For example, rice transplanters can replace dozens of manual workers, saving time and reducing production costs. Improving crop quality. Machinery not only helps increase production, but also plays a crucial role in improving crop quality. Modern technology allows farmers to precisely control environmental factors such as light, temperature, and humidity, thereby optimizing the growth process of crops. Automated irrigation systems can adjust the necessary water levels for plants, helping them grow better and reducing the risk of disease. Ensuring stable and continuous production. One of the greatest advantages of machinery is the ability to maintain continuous production, regardless of adverse weather conditions. Automated harvesters can operate under various weather conditions, ensuring timely harvests and minimizing the risk of crop failure. Agricultural production becomes less dependent on natural factors, leading to a more stable food supply. Challenges and solutions in the application of agricultural machinery. Challenges: high investment costs. One of the biggest barriers to the adoption of machinery in agriculture, especially in developing countries, is the high initial investment required. Limited access. In remote areas, underdeveloped infrastructure can limit access to modern machinery. Lack of skills and knowledge. Effective operation and maintenance of machinery require specialized training, which is often lacking in many regions. Solutions: financial support and policies. Governments and international organizations should provide financial support packages and reduce loan interest rates to help farmers invest in machinery. Training and technology transfer. Training programs and guidance on machinery use, along with technology transfer, are essential to ensure farmers use machinery effectively. Development of suitable machinery. Developing machinery that is cost-effective, easy to maintain, and suitable for local conditions is also a crucial solution. The role of machinery in ensuring global food security. Increasing food production. Machinery enhances production efficiency per unit of land, helping to meet the food demands of the ever-growing global population. Precision farming technology optimizes the use of seeds and fertilizers, reducing waste and boosting productivity. Reducing food waste. Machinery used in harvesting and storage helps minimize post-harvest losses, a significant issue for food security. For example, mobile cold storage systems can be employed at the harvest site to keep produce fresh longer and reduce spoilage. Promoting sustainable agriculture. The use of advanced machinery and technology optimizes resource use, such as water, land, and energy, thereby reducing environmental impact. Smart farming technology enables farmers to monitor and manage resources sustainably, contributing to ecosystem protection and long-term production capabilities. In summary, machinery is an indispensable tool in addressing global food security challenges. Cooperation between governments, international organizations, and farmers in developing and applying technology is crucial for achieving this goal. The future of food security depends on the effective use of machinery and technology in agriculture, aiming for a modern, sustainable farming system that meets global food demands.